yazi umezithe izinto action ayithiwa njani
ucabanga
sengicabanga imovie umbukeli uJonas nje
yang-inspire indoda leyani yang-inspire indoda leyani
inspire Jonas
but manje wiki manje 5 kuphela ngabulawa ngabafazi abayi5
ayithe guys masuthi yabuza guys uthi inspire uJonas umbukeli uJonas
ambukela
abona vele izolo vele beyiFathers Day abonile bayathenda umdala no boys yabo ngibaba uqodo zibini
thina abantwana sibafundisa into eright mntana
but bekunjani izolo was it family friendly wele the kids more abantwana abaningi izolo kakhulu eBoreni which is nice
yeah eBoreni izolo as even after ilokuzenini igame post interview at siyenza labantu people were so happy about the fact that it was peaceful ikakhulu amadimba fans I think I interviewed two abadebe crippled behamba ama crashes one of them said yabona mina ngihamba nyazo ngu4 ngezungu3 but ngikwanisa ukubuya eBoreni la incade ngisesabe uqaliseni but I'm happy ukuthi mphuma kuhle njabulile so I'm so happy and proud for the Bulawayo people and Bulawayo fans, Dynamos fans, Alendas fans for the peaceful environment it was yesterday because ama games anjana everyone really wished to see them but besaba but nxa siqala ukwenza initiative enjana it shows ukuthi khona we are improving as a nation because umuntu ngumuntu regardless of the tribe or language which he speaks it doesn't determine ukuthi umbani ngubani sonke singabantu abafana nayo indebele shona khalanga donga venda whatsoever sotho siphefumulo umphefumulo ofana nayo sichiyana kuphela ngolimi esilukhulumayo isound ezwakala emlonyeni nxa sesikhuluma kuphela
ukhuluma nje umuntu obukelileyo uJonas
asirious angaze ndamfisa
dala into lethende iviki yonke akula muntu owabukela ukuthi or even ungabukela ngani but uzwile ngoJonas ndamanga
akuzwa ngizwile but ambukela
umuntu ethi seyibukela kathiwa antiyabona yawo senza ngisho
otherwise welcome back my brother sasitshela ababukela idela ababese bekhala kanti savele ezoka lapho masuthi ngabe kuthwalela ubhulu ungeke
masuthi bese ngiyidulisa amazinyane dlalela phezulu kwami ekhweleni
kuthwalela ubhulu otherwise gents I think we had a lovely week
very
hayi vika khona ibishop otherwise kanye thiswi
amna ngisi
clean masuthi
clean mntana
mnandi
mnandi
afabutho
so stalo
okay mnandi savereza my brother clean ukudzi gents from spokesperson to marketing manager kudzayibare PSN
yeah
into le singakayikhatshana kakhulu mina ngizama ukuqakezela izandla indaba continuity yabona umuntu osekusystem for isikhathi
for quite a long time
so as akula ama introductions amaningi ngabe efunakala another thing uzafika la eqondisa ayikapi but afike eqondisa akade kuphanyiswa abanye akade bese officeini nale
marketing but was the brand PSL well marketed or there's still a gap to
no kule gap eningi
enkulu kakhulu
egap eningi
wena what's your worry kuyini ongafuna ukuthi imessage ongafuna ukuthi uyiphase ku
so let's make it uzana
all right we still don't know indaba zama TV rights because ungakhayela vele in proper leagues ama clubs amaningi ayenza izimali ngama TV rights but ama TV rights ama TV abuya ezo screen ama games in oil league ngenxa yokuthi ichazo kunganani nxa sikhuluma ukuchaza sikhuluma ngebranding zama team club licensing kusiya kubo stadium kusiya kubo stadium experience for ama fans ukuthi ama fans agcwala kunganani ngoba at the end of the day indaba le it goes down to ama numbers so kusesele gap eli serious usamele kusetshenzwe and umsebenzi omkhulu alawo eofficeini ukhuthi lo
kakhulu yeah first of all I would like to say congratulations to Kudzayibare Bare yeah she once corrected me as well in 2024
kado uthanda udare
nganthe bare and she say
uthanda uRuben Baru
but ungasenani we say congratulations to this post. Like my brother has just said, alluded to ukuthi khona, as a person who has been in the system for quite some time, I think from 2015 thereabout up to now, she has seen the gaps which are there, and she has been doing well in the field of communication. She was trying her level best to do the best with the little resources she has. But now, coming back to this bigger responsibility that she has been given, even if by political, you who is entrusted with legally can be entrusted with much. So she has been faithful with the legal, and she has been now trusted much. So we are looking forward to what she does better and improve this football and market our brand beyond our borders. Like the issue akakhuluma ngayo mfowethu ngicizile khonapho ungananzelela kanengi kuma last games uma awards sokuthiwa khona soccer stars of the year. Uyabona amabizo abantu eBoreni asengikumbona umuntu lwana kuhambe njani, but that marketing gap nalana esabe singasho umuntu kadlala iBhora, but abantu abambonanga so that they can ukuthi be emphasize ukuthi khona now is on 30 or something like that. Uzothiwa khona awuGanetti soccer star of the year, but uGanetti mina ngambukela ka1 versus iHighlanders because ngiyambona ama game eHighlanders kuphela, kumbe versus iChicken Inn, kumbe versus iBlue Chiefs. That's only time engibona kona, but imarketing bengayekela ukuba ukurestricta kakhulu imithetho yabe ukubroadcaster bevumela abantu beaffiliate ama-media facilities kubhadwa imali futhi ku-PSL, because like if I can give for example iTap 3 TV nxa ifuna ukubroadcaster layo bengathi i-affiliation fee maybe 20,000 per season, and we pay. Nxa abantu bebhadalile abantu bangabhadala, nxa omunye umuntu uzabukela kuTap, omunye ubukele kulani TV, omunye ubukele kulani TV, omunye ubukele kule TV, by so doing i-broadcasting so hambile. So those are the challenges ahlangana lawo afuze ukuthuthukise beyond ilokuzeni i-level ekona. Even i-prize money which is sponsorship 150,000 is little money. We need more sponsors, so she has a bigger role to play so that we can football of Zimbabwe can be more attractive, and it has.
Anything to add, gents, in terms of ubona nje ukuthi marketing gap umsebenzi ukuzalayo kumbe ama-gents ahlala esikhiwa bathi nail on the head.
Abachaying.
Bahle
Thina singathi congratulations to her kuphela nje ukuthi bafake umuntu lathi esibonayo. We are happy ukuthi hayi at least bafake umuntu lathi esibonayo ukuthi uvelaphi.
track record.
Amalokuze nakhe wonke ama-previous akhe siyabona hayi umuntu lo la into le sengayikhona.
Legend balance.
Mina into engichaza ngama assistant, she's been there on the ground,
And she's
as you're saying, and good communication she was doing. Uvumela anyone. I remember the chat that I had with the trade fair. Khona ukukhulumayo la ngihambela ama pointers ami ngizeza umuntu ongane ufundile mbhale phansi ama pointers ami ngafika ngamnikeza ukuthi no sister, what this is not my office. You understand? But ama points amaningi angikhuluma ngawo anga point marketing. So I hope ukuthi uzalalela uzayizwa uyakwazi ama points esakhuluma.
And futhi ngumuntu othi nxa ukhuluma laye akajump to the office which is not his. I think kulenye group layo futhi lapha esisonke kona egroupini yakona, even abantu bengaraise some certain issues bembuze uthi khona no, I will table it forward because this is not my office. So umuntu onjalo ngumuntu right because akafuna ukuxamuzela yonke indawo njengejwajwajwa, umuntu oyenza into yakhe ngendlela efanele.
But engayenza athi thina vele no fear of favor.
Obvious.
Sizamkhumbuza ukuthi hayi khumbula phela ukuthi but so far congratulations my sister on her appointment as marketing manager we Premier Soccer League. Gents, we cannot shy away. Mfuna usually start uthatha isikhathi esincane in terms of ama games. I game le biggest game in Zimbabwe, no doubt. Battle of Zimbabwe. Mfuna siqale ku ticketing system. Experience nje ngendlela esibone ngayo sizwe ngayo la stadium up to the last final Chimene seyichayile. Sizama uyidissector nje sinike irespect eyideserve. I understand the game le. Angazi nqanzwakala sihle singene kiyo. I-experience nje yona le game yonke because i-build up iyaqalisa. I'm sure ngimanje labana sikhuluma ngendaba yama-ticket system abanye be
change always is not easy to come by ebantwini sikuyamukele. Even sitting arrangement today uhlezi khonapho sometimes you may not be comfortable like you are always in the nqola because of change. That's how change is. But as time goes on you adapt and you get too used to it. So now even the time kungena ifuel kuthiwa sokungama-$2.50 umjova sokungama-$1 something like that bekunzima but kade sengikwazi embudget $1 lamjova sokusiba lula. So that's change. Change is always painful sometimes and it's not easy. So when it comes to ticketing system and pre-ticketing system and ticketing system, nxa iqalisa so iyakhanya into engajabulisiyo engekho right abantu beyisola beyichotoza but nxa sesikhangele sisiyenza kusiya phambili iyaba le fluidity right and it brings a lot of positives than negatives. That's the advantage of this thing. Ile ma positivities amaningi ukwedlula ama negatives. So uqala ipositive enye ngayikhuluma in terms of budget you can budget well. In terms of time it reduces time. In terms of decongestion kulama lines stadium it has to decongest, and in terms of accountability as well ilula than nxa kusegedini. Now konke lokho sokwenzakele sikubonile nje it was the first time. Nxa kuyi first time kuzaba lama loopholes amaningi nje athile. I still remember izolo sesifika lapha sensiyapaka imoto ngafika kulama line ade engayenziyo ama line akhona ade makhulu and I was surprised why kulama line abantu bethenga ama tickets before. So meaning to say adapter khona khana ukuthi khona bekwenze kube smooth ngokunye kuyi-challenge abafuze befunde khona, and we always say we learn from our mistakes and we learn from ama failures esiwayenzileyo. So they have to sit down and see lapho abaphambanise khona ukuthi okwenza kwangabi smooth ekungeneni kwe-ground abantu yikuyini, but and so ngizathi nonetheless it's better.
Man Savereza angazi ungathatha yiphi ukuthi usethe ngamafishane ticketing system but kusihle but mfundisi dissect umuntu njengoba uBhurubethe abanye abapheshe bezwe ukuthi into le biggest game in Zim guys influence njani the whole experience nje.
Yeah, true.
Mina what I really liked about igame yayizola ukuthi ibe peaceful in the sense of ukuthi it brought ilokhuzeni indiyani ukuthi i-football game it's a family event or family thing othi ngahamba labantwana and all but kulezinye izinto nenza hlala ngichinga ngazo
and ngikhuluma uvunyile
ukuthi alright amapholisa lana abe sengawani amapholisa wonke lawa
security engamalutshwana siyakhala
kuba right ku right but just the moment sometimes and kusiba lo mpholisa le button stick le njani ebhiza yakwathi abantu bayabe ngasakhululekanga to be honest
uzobona button stick ipolice inja le bhiza
abantu bayabe ngasakhululekanga
le moto yamanzi but for security reason
is fine but Khalezan as it is so i-Highlanders we all know ukuthi iya struggle and I want to praise the Highlanders fans for being mature and desisting from i-violence. Alapho ngefuba child izandla
othabanye mina ngiyabona sebejika
lokuyana vele noma ungaze kudlala even le Black Chiefs yabona sebejika. So kulabantu kule nje few individuals vele imizi lemiza ngeke uswelisa ngqondo but kokuyana ukuthi abantu babe expect ukuthi majority of people bazayenza organism ekuyinto abangazange bayenza abantu because ama fans I think they finally understood and ukuthi khathesi into lani affect njani team vele which is already struggling financially ehlula lo holisa abafana.
Masuthi wena what was your experience?
Ngiyaqala kuSavereza ngoba amina lami mbongani igame epeaceful yana ungabona the moment mawungena so ufika lababhefu ubona amabhizi ayi50
ubabalile mdala
mdala lawo
so ngathi okay great
inamba ngabasithi ka50 aba50
base bekunika ifee mdala lezinja ezilapha nambonto kodwa kuselinje ecamp zonke izinja bezikona pha lama police izolo vele bathi wona athi ngeke bekubambe ngoba wonke ade khona pha serious ukana kuyanikeza ifee like yabona ukuthi hayi kade vele ukuhamba njani two ako system kwawo lokho amatiketi ukhangizwa abantu bechinga kakhulu maye ukuthi kade bengakabe ready abaqale bemi asingazi usisilo sengenile maybe la ezaba lokho but abaqale bemi ayikona ukuthi umuntu endaweni ukuthi alethi $20 bemthinji $15 kube fast than ukuthi akuskani thote kule problem ukuthi kuskana mebade kufeyile kuyisystem kwabo ngosikana abantu becene uchama line so abaqale benza izinto in order beqale bepractice ngona bodwa le ayikonti ngo3 usubuya ngo10 to umuntu asikane from 10 to lokho esikana amatiketi ayi2
but dala bepractice phela abantu bebeef bekhona ukuqalisa yibo but
kanti wayathi ungasikana anti umthina
but okunye madoda singachayini nje sifihla umphini sibonile ama-scenes ayenzakala eChawanda. eChawanda, those scenes were ugly, very ugly, and the security was overpowered. And when you see such scenes happening, people of various opinions, people who think differently, what do? On the next step, you take a precautionary measure. Which is 100% correct. Taking a precautionary measure, you could be some police manning, you could be security ning. Lokana ebunga isiku kuti abati abantu bayalenders balodlame. It was a precautionary measure. In case those sins repeat itself, they can be able to protect lives. They can be able to protect property uthi ngavandalized. Than ukuthi beqala ukufona for i-backup. Bafuze behlale belakho be ready ukukhona
in terms of security.
So in terms of security, mina ngimi is 100% perfect. Because even amapolisa akhona awazange ahlukumeza umuntu la ngathi bemabhizi akhona awazange baharasa umuntu, they were just there waiting ukuthi khona to see if there is a problem which can okay, and that was 100% correct to me. I see ukuthi bayenzela ukuthi khona iyalenders iyahlukumeza, but isikubonile kuna and now and again after i-game eDynamo selithele kuzenini wasoqasa ukuphuma clips undoda lwana uhambe ingene ground before igame engene ground before ingene ground before every game, but izolo kungenile yini kangenanga la nqathe ngekho mbere ekhona sikwazi akangenanga because of that security, because wonke ama games adedlalwe prior ubengena before igame ground. So which means ukuthi khona i-security did its job, and sesibasola kathesi because sibone kube peaceful. But ngawo kube lenkinga bese yabona ukuthi bebeqhakathela ukuthi bebekhona. So i-precaution is always safe. Ugqoka isicathulo lokho ayisikuthi khona lapho hamba khona uzahlatshwa kuphela, but uzama ukuvikela ukuthi ungahlatshwa.
Manengi kakhulu
yibo right.
But endabeni ye-security I think engabakhala ngayo usavereza lo masuthi ngiyayizwa singakayi kuyo umthetho we-PSA wona wathi kuma bigger games anti kumele kube lamapholisa angafika 80. So imagine very ground yani engange BF even abayi-8 sesingabakhulela.
Check, there were close to 25,000 people there.
Security ngiyayizwa so
no befuna ukufaka ukuthi ngiyazi abakhala ngakho ngiyakuzwa ukuthi
okay,
you know uyatufika eground expect ukungena nxa usuthola kudlalela izinja eduze laphana kungani vele kukhona sebekuthi kungani kukhona. So I think abafike bengafika laba bezinja kube lalapha abamiswa khona
exactly
egedini sibe lalaba abafuna ukuzobafuna not ukuthi ufika usuthola beparade abamabhiza ngani mhlawumbe kulo muntu
abantwana babaleka vele
Now you've said it.
so iengo lami ngithole ukuthi bakhala ngama-agency lapho ukuthi sufika vele kulokuthi uthole into eza kuyenza wena
La ube feel free.
yabona vele sifiso sokuthi hayi namhla igame izaba mnandi suthi ucabanga ukuthi okuyinjalo lokho kungaphunyiwe.
But the other thing, when coming back to security, ngicredita to ilokuzenini i-pre-ticketing leyana. When we are doing pre-ticketing, liyabe silikwazi ukuthi khona the estimated number of fans to be there at ground babenganani, so that we can know how much security is needed. Because nxa uzabisa abantu abangu-80 for abantu abadlula 15,000. 80 versus 15,000, even abantu abangu-8 abakwanisa abantu abangu-200.
But abantu beZimbabwe lawe ngokuba kwazi kwakho abantu bayathanda into zama-last minute. Khona sibiliyani pre-lokuzenini ticketing leyana ama-advance lana are-right because azaba le-accountability, because you have seen most of the cases uzokuthiwa bekulabantu abangaka eground kodwa ama-financial figures lawe ekhuluma the other
different. Yeah, let me it's what I'm anxious about.
And I think coming back next week because andisazoza lapha sokuphuma ama-communication ukuthi hayi kube labantu abangaka eground singabona ku-right because kuzavalani i-loophole, but i-system yangikhona ingabe ngathi la sesiba confused so
Yeah.
kuthiwa amatikiti athengiswe before igame kodwa uzokuthiwa sokulamanye asebuya sethengiswa ngelanga legame
Yikho wrong.
kokhana yikho futhi okusongaqalisana
ezinye izinto
uyathola ukuthi wena kadesi abantu ukhona maybe omunye ofike watshelwa kwathiwa hayi itikiti lakho liyala
Bakhona, yeah,
so ngcono
uqinisile.
unjani
Uthenge.
ukhipha imali unjani uthenge
bakhona ba-experience ungachecka khona
Abathenge
phana
ka-2.
kuma-fund reactions bakhona ba-experience khona kya
ucina usunjani usuthenga ukuthi imali lani izahamba iyefika ezikhwameni ezirayithi kumbe
ungayizi.
izangena esikhwameni
Yeah,
sikalokhuzi into enjani
ero ikakhulu leyo ekhulumayo ukuthi khona nxa ungathiwa khona i-advance ticket akube ngama-advance ticket wonke because nxa ungafika egedini sokuthengiswa laphana asakwazi lana athengiswe aya ngakabani
okoqeda indaba le like eleyirezwe futhi ngisavereze ukuthi abanye bagcine bethenga ka-2 futhi i-change izinto asoke zihlale the same forever sike sakhuluma futhi egroupini so ama-tickets la ama-advance lawa nxa vele kuyindaba yokuskana I think kathesi i-PSL ayifocus on infrastructure eza-accommodata i-ticketing or ama-advance tickets wona lawo i-ticket vele lingasakhangelwa ngumuntu
Ikhangelwa ngumshini.
ukuthi yilo yini akufakwa ama-10,000 emagedini lapha scan iticket lakho
Umtshini uvuleke.
umtshini ukutshela ukuthi iticket lakho lishaphu
Igedi
uvula
livule.
ungene umuntu omayo lapha nabe ngumuntu omekasho ukuthi lime ngelayini nxa ukuthi bafuna
Wathi nguba
ilayini
Umlomo,
lokuthi wena
two-
uyeqithen style anti siyalazi yakwaeqithen style
ngobamba umlomo nje 2 minutes nxa ufuna ungena usubscribe ku-lucky base ani and into sezijinjile so i-online yazibhejela nje usendlini awuthwali nzima uyapho ungena ku-lucky base.co.zw laphana kuza ku-director awuthwali nzima awuthiwa bhadala ka-2 hayi uyazifakela nxa sifuna ubheji yafaka imali yakho nge-eco cash omari inbox vele awuthwali nzima it's clean smooth like that ukuguquka nje kwezinto understand ukuthi
Yes, advance.
Everything is
izinto
going
lokhu
digital.
advance everything is going digital so ilakhi ibhezi yakwenza kwaba lula nje kwaba njalo ukuthi anona ibhola lidlala ebusuku itikiti yakho lingadliwa i-team ka-9 ingadliwa
yafake ka-3
Bengawina.
usuthathe i-cocash yakuthi mba usuzidlalele elika-12 ungawina kule cash out ingawina lana ubona but u-ecuador ungambambanisa lathi utshaya i-cash out so ilakhi ibhezi yakwenza kwaba lula kwaba njalo ukutshintsha kwezinto khona kokutsho ilakhi ibhezi yahle yangena le nto ezitshintshile akusamelanga ukuthi uye ehofisini isihofisi yakho uzifayele imali yakho online everything clean that's lucky base for esihamba labo singaqhubeka siqede nje ngale but it was the match with
for mina igame le from i-build up you know i-Dynamos ngapha lakho ngapha ku-Highlanders bekukhalwa ngendawo zokuthi ama-players abhadalwa nga-striker abantu bethu ngama-mind games la i-Dynamos ibidlala wayo ngapha uzothi i-executive izama ukutshela ucoach ukuthi fake ubani lobani ucoach uze-threaten ukuresigna you know for ama-games anjengalawa vele imsindo enje so isiya ku-game igame ifika idlala ngendlela edlalwe ngayo izolo for mina it was close to 100% nge-standard set of course
hayi but mina ngibona iphuwa mina to be honest igame yayizolo yazi ibingelayo vele ubungelayo umfutho lwano wokuthi kuthiwa i-biggest game eZimbabwe ibingelakho yakwazi abantu bedlala elinye ibhora lelandazesikolo abantwana besikolo phela sebedlala ngcono kwezinye isikhathi abantwana besikolo khaya singababukela bakwanisa ukuchayela o-10 passes becomplete ama-pass manje imbani izolo yiphi iteam okwayibona nitshaya more than 5 passes
I think mina nami ngizavumelana noGanetti ukuthi according to our standards in Zimbabwe igame ibimnandi izolo leyo because
hayi madoda kodwa
mana hayi anti test yami so test yakho so unganiki test yakho
afunike ucorrecta something wakahambi
I think imebhule nyongo ngoba
vucorrecta something wakahambi madoda lingathi according to our standard vele lingatsho njalo selifuna ukufaka ku-big dip seliphambanisile we've seen
Alright, according to the previous matches engwabonile
Thank you.
Islanders
Thank you. Sungaqhubeki. Asakubamba umlomo, sungaqhubeki.
igame lana
yeah.
kimi ibingichaza mina because one I was a neutral there izolo ngihambe ngaya support team even though enhlizweni yami ngifuna Islanders win but bengi neutral 100% neutral ukubona ukuthi ngihlalele ngayalindeza ngahlohla ngihlalele iDynamos ngahlohla ngihlalele but khona kana why ngisithi mina engichazile Inchaze because it is not what I was expecting from a build up ekhulunywa ngolokuzenini. Being expecting Mboza worse than what ngibonile. So ama players they try to be professional. As much as bebelenkinga zabe ezibanike ngemuva ngale they tried a little bit to be professional. They tried ukuthi khona bezama ukuba ukufihla indlala abalayo kakhulu kuyalendazi. Ngoba you cannot play well if you are not motivated. Kunje so I cannot work effectively ngilambile engalala uthi siswini. I need energy. Endlini ufunakala irent, abantwana bafuna ukudla, abantwana baxotshe school fees esikolo. Zonke lezi zinto azitholakala. Bese kusuba labantu abahleziyo because of my effort baphiwa izimota baphiwa ama 10,000 bahlezi but they're not doing anything.
Vele Islanders wayengathengisa even iFortune e1 ihlikhavi izikole.
Ekabani.
Mana untshele executive lasibina ukuthi yona ile team at Hatton ngabe imota leziyana sesabona oyi1 esithi hayi mina imota ngisayifuna ngcono lifaka kuseli. But manje kokhana uthi they are only doing it for ukuthi bafuna ama benefits not ukuthi i-team ibe lokuzenini hayi iqiniso madoda.
So bonifest ukuthi ishilayite njani.
Semphenduka futhi kona ngisaqhubeka ukuthi why City ngichazile. The stadium was packed. The noise from both sides ibichaza ubukholisa even usizwa la amathu amadlabuzane esukuma inyole zani ziyasukuma iDynamo sisisha ukuthi siyayinayo Dimbari uzwiso ethi iPPF yonke ithu lisicwaka bebanika isikhathi sabo ukuhlabela ibhoso la iqasa ukuhlabela ngabe it was so entertaining, it was so nice and it was so peaceful unless ngaphandle except that moment of after equalizer lana abantu beyalinda sebeqasa ukujika ilukuzena izinto lezana those
scenes leyo kale ngakasebenzi la mngadembala nje uMasudu kale ngakasebenzi
akumbhoyi
wena igame ibone njani.
Hayi game mina ngibona angeke ngithi khona lapho kutsho ukuthi ngithi ku right hayi no like mawubuye abanye abantu maybe from other countries bese kuthi yiZimbabwe backly uthi uyathi ubona ngale ibhola labantu abesikolo despite ukuthi abaholanga asiyalo ukuthi
abaholanga badlela njani kanti bela
hayi phela ukuthi una uholanga it doesn't mean ukuthi ibhola lakhona liyabhowa like yabona iZimbabwe backly asabe siqhawengela ibhola yabona iIslanders yadlala le Dynamo singale belichaza but lilana how many chances wena wabonileyo izolo kumbe how many ama touches wona lawo ade sitsho ngusavereza kumbe 6 touches enye team ngakalithe labantu kudlalwa kuphela ifinder yabo.
But at the end of the day what makes you happy is ama touches ama goals that
sibala i-level yama team amakhulu.
Ibhola should be entertaining.
Ibhola should be entertaining lawo mawuhlela ubona but ibhola leli lichaza nje but in terms of iIslanders and Dynamos yiyo ama team amakhulu kakhulu lapha eZimbabwe and yiyo azahlala emakhulu kakhulu
kube ngathi uma Emma kube ngathi uma
finder yabo njalo iIslanders
awayemna dlala correct ama statement kulama team uma cloud uhlala ekhuluma ungathi azahlala ngamadala ungathi azahlala emakhulu so lama team amakhulu alezi la ngamadala
ayele Dynamo zindala nje
ngamadala but akho makhulu because sesikayela kahle support base isikayela financial okuzeni
ungathi team enkulu ehle ukholisa abantu
wena masukubeka ngaleyo but thina ngobukhulu bethu
ngobudala
behle ukugcina abantu ababo
ungabuza iPSL ukuthi yipi team
thina uthi seligugile
ifaka imali
ungabuza ukuthi ngubaba abantwana besidle emzini
phela yakwathi kulesi statement esichala sikhulunywa abantu uthiwa even fools grow old akwazi
sebuyile lo kabuyeli
so when uJoji akula umuntu le 100 years oyibhara akakho
iyayenda soyibhara
alright mara Masudu mfuje something wena yipi ngabantu ode bese beef in terms of merchandise a team oyibonile ukuthi these Highlanders shop or something to try and maximize esijalo ukubona kwamanye ama games Scotland men's can testify national sports Cape United versus Scotland we saw mdala bebuya lezi mota Scotland shop Caps United ukubona kuthengiswa different things merchandise
ibulawa Chiefs inqophuma ngobona isedini VIP ngathi ibhola phethe phandle wabona bethengisa
like official Bulawayo Chiefs
sponsor
merchandise.
Yawathi mina masuda
Those are the things that
they were expecting from
lapha ngikhuluma ngama team ale administration Islanders ayile administration Islanders vele Islanders in terms of administration asikwazi singayenzani but Islanders ifile in terms of administration lawo yakwazi
super ikonkulu phe
indala
Islanders indala Islanders ilabantu abayithandayo ukuthi wena mawungakufaka khona even isozwana listen uyakwazi ukuthi even ipen ye-Islanders awazi ipen ungathiwa dola I prefer ukuthi umntana mayebhala ngedola yepen ye-Islanders kule 5 rand kumbe kule 2 rand even kuwethu i-Islander ayila marketing ayila administration ayilabadala abangancane
Islanders ngama moves eyathatha nethothi ukuthi and I think kumbe songokwesi5 o sokudlulile 5 times mhlanga ngikhuluma ngakho ukuthi Islanders now ukuthi bebehlakaniphile this was their year to make imali using their brand but the only thing that is happening ibrand yankona ilandelwa icontroversy ikhathi celebrate Gini la but indaba yankona sesesaba ukuthi isikhulume ngayo kumbe sinathi
ngoba ama statement akaphuma
ngoba ama statement akanjani akaphuma ukuthi what is really going on involving in but into leyani ungayikhangela abantu bese beyithethe kanjani bay accept ukuthi whatever percentage they were going to get and it was going to help Highlanders financially kakhulu yabo ngoba wonke umuntu vele bese njani alami ngayizwa sibili imnandi othenga khona noma try lapha ephekelwa khona ungayenzi but hayi right sibili
so guys sesivala
but basically
in terms of percentage maybe out of 10
it was highly attended
in everything
match the experience from build up I saw it 7
which is a good number
6
fairly
yakuzanyiwe
inike mdala sidlule
8
which is a good number
comment reserve
out of 10 idea ngayo
even 7 because sesikhangela ukuthi
which shows ukuthi so it's 7 out of 10 in terms of everything
mina konke sibilani besides iplay akonke bengikubone ngathi ku right
awuzanyiwe nje
but iplay mina
so
play
wathi nxa ngile 7 6 8 average mbani 7.5 so which is fairly good number so they have it guys please remember to like subscribe share and engage us in the comment section become a member of a family to a person move we are slowly growing staying ama number we are slowly growing which is good about ngesikhathi will cup bona abantu bekwanisa ukuthi bebukela ihlelo it shows ukuthi siyazama siyancinza siyabonga keep on supporting. Moving on, gents. Bonus quote. Why to any ama gents 5? What it 10? Eh? Itime enkulu.
Yakwazi ukuthi
ayikondala inkulu.
Into enthabisa ngendaba le mayemdala anti. Ngibone sebebabaza eSwatini le kulama yama players anti kulama players eSwatini ase Scotland. Sebe convert imali yankhona to imali zabe eSwatini ngale vele kanye mjide ngafika ngale bafika besiba ngezimqatha
ngala nje vele bavuma ukuthi benguJonas official
so sike sayikhuluma indaba le into enzwa ngoScott kathesi imarket eScotland but also is a later attention to iPSL yethu imileage ade sikhuluma ngayo ezanceda okhutsi futhi eofisini yakhe lapho ukuthi kathesi sesile attention because you know so into yenza right and ebezi justify oku obvious ukuthi ama players nxa edlala ibhola semsebenzini ubona umele bedle imuli zabo umele zidle
ukhulumile ku podcast yabo lana ngizile ukukhuluma ku
yiko embone khona so esithi nxa kunjalo nxa imali ikhona kumele mbanike why not plus sibe sithembisene ukuthi lenga isizini ingafika ku half time liphezulu ngiyanika ama-5,000 bona bakwenza with the distinction. Why not i-aid enye 5,000 kube ngama-10,000? So asiyamtshayela ihlombe uScott lapho into ayenza iyavukeka
kakhulu ngoba mina ekuqaleni I was one of the people ababe ngani bayasola eScotland because ngathi most of people ngenxa yendlela eyayingene ngayo. But yonke into sometimes it works for good in certain times because you realize, like I said earlier on, ukuthi khona nxa ungakhangela i-sponsorship deal yethu is only just $150,000, and $150,000 cannot even sustain a club up to the end of the season. Nxa esenza so uScott, it is pushing ama-sponsors, it is pushing other clubs to try and compete with Scotland because we're sick and tired ukuthi team yawina iti winile isikwanisa ukuthi sifuze sirepresent in Africa, then they drop out at the last minute betabala mali. Why you compete at the first place? So let those who can afford to
uke wayinta ngani kuyabuya isponsor esinye
Saudi Arabia.
So
Etihad Airways.
so Etihad
so
akakhuluma ngokuthi i-Etihad kodwa but
akakhuluma ngayo lapha sesizama ukuthi 1+1 sinokona.
So my point,
Man City
ebekhuluma ngendlela i-structure yabona ukuthi team yami izaba njenge-Man City.
So like you are just speculating.
Yeah, that's true.
And
So
it's not a fact.
So what I'm trying to say about Scott is that if you can push it like that, and it can force other people to follow suit. And when they follow suit, we're going to have a competitive league whereby most players babe sefisa ukuzodlala eZimbabwe. Ukuthi besuke emazweni bezodlala eZimbabwe because umuntu wonke into ayifunayo imali.
Andibone kule room akashalulile.
And nxa besinda njalo bengabuya eZimbabwe bezodlala eZimbabwe, i-league yethu la yama rankings ayakhwela. And nxa ekhwela layo then i-quality esiyiproducer for the national team yabisichina njalo koloko sikuthola kubafana be-Highlanders laba bakhutiketi bebodwa lapho. So kuyasongana sokungconywana isiyaphezulu
even
lama-broadcasting rights aqasa uba maningi. So siyaphambili
ungasiphambanisa ngama-team amadala angafuna ukubhadala. Yabindala but ingayenzi nje i-team enkulu.
But vele kodwa nje on a serious note, how could you say ukuthi khona abafana behambe 3 months bengaholi? When you drive imoto uthela fuel every day, ufuzo hlala ekhona i-ticket le$25 every day ngani.
Hayi ungathi ticket le-25 kulabantu abangena mahara. So into ezama uyisho kuhle kuhle ukuthi i-mentality anti umzile ukuthi kulo muntu uyafica ulo muntu ole-100 years.
Phone.
You understand? So bakhona abantu abanje ukuthi uyabungafuna ukuvumela izinto ezintshe ama-ideas amanye ukuthi uchiyele intsha bephathi example engenza zamuyenza uMasudu. It's not only Scotland alone. Ungacheck iChawanda i-Hard Rock bale stadium kade sibayakha i-B Arena bafuna yabona ama new innovative ways. Ungahambe ekhwekwe yafica ikhwekwe yonke beshaye bethenga eshop i-Hard Rock. You understand? So ngama-team amakhulu amatsha abuya esayiwa ama-team amakhulu eZimbabwe
asekhamba nge-standard esiso sebhola.
You understand? Okuphakamisa.
And the other thing mina engiyibonayo ama-teams lawan awazange athi wona afuna ukuthi ebe makhulu esebenzisa local talent kuphela. Ngangichinga I remember ngichinga ngokuthi ama-foreign players maningi wathi local talent sizayi-identify nini. But before ama-players ade buya ama-foreigners bebebuya bengathi ngabantu ababuye ku-holiday engathi ngabantu abazobona i-Victoria Falls bengaproducing ama-results and felt like ukuthi ama-team layana kumbe so ngathi kumbe ngabantu abenza i-money laundering because umuntu uyathenga umuntu ngemali edurayo ebesefika umuntu usetshona engasayenzi lutho okunjani okutshengisa ukuthi wathenga ngemali edurayo. But ikhathesi ama-foreigners akhona siyabona
beswatini
siyabona sibili they are proving themselves ukuthi hayi mina sibili ngiyakwazi lapha ngibe emsebenzini,
which is good for our league jenzi. Into enhle mele sichayile ihlombe and we hope going forward kuya rubber off to amanye ama-team.
Yeah.
uChitembe wa resign trying
At least sebamekela wazihambela ngama-terms akhe yena ngoba nxa bona bemthembisa ukuthi nge-mid season window bazamthengela ama-players but kusuka kungasakhanyi ukuthi kuzayenzakala noma kusuke kwenzakale. I think mina ngibona kwami hela so my views pass and move ngokubona kwami I think nje iboard yabe sihlale phansi la yabona ukuthi lapha ngangcono singajonisi sikhiphe resource lokuthi sizama ukusave team asibenze sivume defeat okwamanje siyo regroupa kucha ku division 1 I think nje sebe throw
kanye nje sethinte something esengicabanga iwindow iwindow lethu jense livuna njani sesiku second round
but levula mhla ka July
levula ngoJuly sibe sesibo game 20 or so
athina I think indaba yokuthi asibanga le break phela because lapha ileague yethu iphongoqhubeka
I think unye pressure because anti yabona ikhathesi ichipuku phela iphuma ngani imuntu umtapa la lokho njalo ikhona so khathesi into eyenzakalayo ukuthi kulama games amaningi so and la situation uyayazi ukuthi ama swamp wenzela ukuthi ama games ethi cup ama swamp yakanjani akabi maningi anti okwathi ama ground ngama field race
sibuyele ku issue ka Stembwe. I think uGanete is right. Uchange inkinga ukuthi khona vele yona i-Tailwane asangibe fair to Stembwe. Ngaba am release at the first time.
I couldn't tell one.
So trying like that.
Sorry, Tailwane. Wi-Fi boys.
I'm sorry about that. It was in trying like ayibanga fair because bafuze benjani. Bem release by the time bedliwa iDynamos lapha nefunga uchiya umsebenzi. So but bamthembisa ukuthi khona bazamthengela ama players awakha wafunayo when the window opens. So bathe besibekubona ukuthi khona abasoze bekukwanise like my brother is says alluded to. Sebeqala ukutshintsha ama goal post bathi khona sifuna 3 points in 2 games. Wese enye game yakho ni Scotland is on fire, is not conceding any goal. So it was just like they are firing him. So I think he did the right thing with the channel lakho ehlukana nabo in time before he tarnishes his image because the CV yakhe ibingani sisenhlanyana
kulapho. No right, sibele good dancer knows when to quit the stage yabo.
Manje munyabele yacha 6-7 games yakahlohli eloke gide stage.
But I sazowagida wangena kuchini.
Mina
sazowagida.
Mina mbona ngesentiment sakho sona ese dancer lesa. Kuhle kakhulu ukuthi kube wonke ama dancers even kuma administration ebona how to do this
how to dance abase baluzira isikhathi
ungaze kube lawa lokho besithi la uyakusubona but lapha kusayenza umumulo wasayenza
awesikhathi ingoma yabinde ewukhithi indolwane mdala
lo ngagida lana ingoma lana echa 12 minutes umbe 15 minutes lala umbe ngajakata umbe ngokabanda lana umabhawo
ondolwane
labo but uyabona ukuthi lapha kusayenza abantu sebekhathile la nje
so many typers
njengathi kulaba abantu esebemeli bebona ukuthi abantu labo sebekhathile kumane stage
nje kulabantu abalenkani othi ungafakela leyani ingoma kaSikuza leyanto wathatha imali yebhasi wachaya phansi wayidla wedwa ncitha kayeke
ukuthi afanga lephenduka
but kule issue the city fadla before singena kuma results ePSN angazumbeli iboni yakhumula sakhuma sponsorship eBank ABC yana egrassroots la ethona league yana I think kicks off for the 4th of July try iBank ABC Roots Impact League ukuyibona
yeah ngibonile ilokho zenilana mdala it's good ukuthi finally se implementwa enembonile ama fixtures akhona ukuthi they are giving almost everyone a chance so engakwaziwe ukuthi ku background lapha before kubunjwa ama team nje ukuthi Bulawayo province Matabeleland North Matabeleland province ku build up lapha ama teams la bebunjwa njani you know cause in 10 ngibona vele ama fixtures ephuma the first thing engenzileyo yikubuye luka ukuthi vele ku build up yohamba njani ngathola vele kukhalo ukuthi kulama headaches kuma selections ama teams you know we don't even know ukuthi eBulawayo lapha i-team yakhona iminjani eza
represent kadlala ngapi
abedlalela endaweni
yabe rotate
because abedlala simultaneous le ndaweni esijeneyo Harare Gweru iMasvingo Mtare and then uBulawayo njalo so uBulawayo le Matabeleland zingaqedelana yabe winile izahamba ziyodlala eGweru lezi yabe ziwine khona ngale Midlands you know iMidlands bayihlanganisela nganga so
I think it's test qalisa ukuthi uyakhuluma something vele into engayiqalisa I think these problems izabalehlala sidawo. But mina engifisayo ukuthi as we go kupolish kuqine sesiku situation sokucaca will not be 100%. Even ngihamba ku FA bakhala.
But I think abantu laba bona they knew very well before because ungakhangela kuke kwaselectwa sibili abantu abaningi for ama provincial lokuzeni
Ama youth games.
For ama provincial positions
Okay.
I've seen like the likes of Okaiti this
even from Chicken
this other lady wakwabuya lapha ku interview okulokuzenini uKhoshiya Islanders Royal la ngambone emakazaneni bebanengi so I doubt ukuthi iselection yakhona izaba njani izaba biased because anti lapha ku right ngoba it will be for local people soze kufana lokhuyana ukuthi kuzathwa kubuya umuntu from eHarare ozoscouta ozabuye ebe ngurefu ebe ngulineman ephinde ebe nguselector ngela ngeli1 khona apho ku
I think in those different ages bafake I think assistant coach Chicken ufokoza uManda 17
abantu
ufokoza babafaki so you are right in saying so ngoba ngama local people
so bengakaqedise endabeni ye selection bengayisole such bensithi akubanga clear nje ukuthi size finally siphumele team ukuthi le yi team yakobulawayo or le yi team yamaThebeleleni so but for whatever reason engijabula ngakho ukuthi abantu laba nxa sebedlalile still i-team ezawena we know ukuthi now this is the cream when it comes to junior football kade sesilephuyo ukukhetha from nxa ungathwa ama under 17 under 15 you know izinto ezinjalo
it makes life
asalinda ukuthi thwa baphonga from nowhere kuyafonela ukuthi kusasa sidlale Swaziland umntwana ukhona yini kusasa sidlale leSotho ama under 17 umntwana kumbe sokufonela izikolo sami kathesi
manje kweZimbabwe
no but andise sikhuluma
kathesi tournament yeke yenze eHarare no engale sibe sasibuzana ukuthi all right tournament le ngiyamanda 17 izezane hayi yaba ngu number 1 kuma Coca-Cola kwakungela vinde student esiwa
but le phela le vele anti iyenze izifa ikwenze ngenxa yokuthi bafuna ukuthi bebe lama junior players ku database
I think
I like the initiative
you need right
criteria selection yakhona because they've picked so many different coaches and whereas ukuthi khona nje wanti mina
speak on the mic was chase
sorry so whereas ukuthi nxa ucoach A ukwadlala lo team B lawo la nxa uncoach yabo ndawo umfana onuyabulala lo umfana onadlala so khona kuyancedisa ukuba le proper selection
as it goes and it will become better venxa uqalisa we know ama challenges akhona but as it goes lokho I build up yakhona uzayibona ama results akhona sesiqalisa ukuwabona because banenge abafana abalazi ibhora ababeswela iopportunity njenganale so pick up to iBank ABC le Ngobile Magwizi le executive of which umdala sesilesikhathi singakhulumela initiative naleyana it shows ukuthi is doing something bambi phezulu kuphela even grassroots because ibhora vele singekela grassroots sesiphambanizini so grassroots I'm actually happy and excited about the initiative and amajita ofokoza omakho the young coaches that are coming up labo guide yabo is their time to show lokuzeni ama expertise awo best develop best polish abafana abancane at bigger stage.
It's not only a platform for ama players
kuphela
for ama coaches because we saw in SA ongakhayelo uthwana uMolefe Inseki labana bathi by the time esiya coach national team
esedlula ama juniors
dlale ba winning sama juniors phansi ngapha
because bona abaqalisa labantu yibo abakhula sebengale.
Then to become a big coach you start from grassroots so you cannot jump those stages. I problem is la ama coaches last 2 months actually coach akatesi ba jumpa ama stages lawa so ungajumpa khona phana ikho
kubona abanga le development
because bona bafuna result
kuphela awubalo ukujumpa vela azange bebe khona yathi ngakubhala ukujumpa kulo muntu othwa ujumpisa uvina ucredit
ofikile ku grade 1
wabe sesiya
ngokuphatha wakhe alawekwazi
wabe sesiya grade 3 yabo
abekwazi
manje umunye umuntu
kusuka from
grade 7 kuphela
grade 7
uhambo umbonise ku A level certificate Wethu engakhutha nalo.
Ecine zefana nabanye othi kuthiwa wathiwa 5 O-levels babuya lama-certificate
into zayahamba wena
aqale phansi esebuya uyelandela lani into yenkalakatha uthi ngiyene
ayikona inkalakatha endala
ungabe wadrive imoto ama-choice efuna udrive igonyethi
yeah
Kwakuqinise khana even le-government eZimbabwe ayisakuvumeli uqasa uclass 2
asidlulelile aqale ama-division 1 leagues ethu just in brief nje singawashiyi phansi hayi wena wambulala embaba ama-division 1 leagues ethu singawashiyi phansi I was so disappointed ngelokhuzeni
Nkayi
eGwanda
Kwanditayiwe futhi.
ku-Pacific Southern region iGwanda Pirates yi-team
Central
Central region yi-team ebengiyikhangele bra and they dropped 4 points in a space of a week
yeah
bevulela iChabungu leKwekwe because yi-team ebengiyikhangele ukuthi Central region they will improve and anti yakwazi affiliation yeGwanda Pirates lo machisa nje ikhona ngani Hlongozo nje they dropped 4 points while iChabungu is opening up igap leKwekwe isivalile igap angazi ibonile lokhu zeni
and the tricky part mdala
but nje lokhu zeshabhani so izolo
indaba etricky ngalapha ileague le yabe sikhona nje ku second round mdala kwenzakala into eziningi amanye ama team ayakhalala amanye athenga akwazi ukuthenga athenge kakhulu eGwanda Pirates siyakwazi so team enjalo
bemeli idla ama team
yona vele kumele izwine le ground so nxa sokuhlupha kungahlupha eground so vele kusuka kubafakethe very big disadvantage but hopefully since ama games asesemaningi baza recover nxa besazodlala lama teams wona la phezulu bazazama ukuthi at least benga lose
mthala yakwathi uSaraso
yakhona eBhorini kunjalo
uSaraso
eBhorini kunjalo as much as we are disappointed about the result and we know that we affiliate yethu lokuzeni nomachisa because isizibuhlungu kakhulu but eBhorini vele you lose some and win some and when you lose those games it's what you do after losing that determines ukuthi khona safika nga so it doesn't matter ukuthi baluzile and the gap is 4 points is still okay we still have got a lot of games they have to soldier on now bezama ukuqinisela besebenzisa ama opportunities abalawo because kuyayilahla bengavele be lose the next game now ikafuthi siqaswa kwechalo uvalo khona
I think it's no longer lokuzeni 4 points I think so is 7 from the top bebabachenga 3 but draw midweek le banket badliwa ishabhani things yabona i-point game lokivuleni
kodwa yatholakala
yeah kuyatholakala is part and parcel of football then ungabuya
ngeluze yona le but draw
yeah.
draw la ibanket anti yabona ukuthi it was a derby phela la
yabo i-derby
But
and bona badlala ama-derby amaningi
obohle beGwanda Pirates even lapha abachaya khona yabona abo 1-0 yabona i-team akadisilwa yabona i-team akadisilwa so yiko ukuthi hopefully ama games aseleyo la including ama teams aphezulu nalawa bazakwanisa ukugrind nama results and then bewuyele ku position because you know last time bapush i-hard rock to you know
yeah then Pacific Southern region ngapha inkayi layo ngeyinye yazi inkayi la yenzelo kunye but grateful though for iwange I think sebevule
ile
sile 7
iwinning
points
so
sivule ngabo
ile 31 so sile 34 so yabe sivule about 8 points 5 lapha ibilita nge4 so sile
ibula warriors la idliwa
it television dlala njani
draw
so silita nge6 points
6 points and then like I like
game and ama games akha
ngithi i-challenge vision kufela boost derby ngale le Jordan
draw 1-1
so nxa draw 1-1 so le silita nge6 points
so iwange ngapha isokushape
and angaba nawa ngale vele ilokhu ithanyelele eceleni because bidlala le Black Rock mbonele isupporter le Black Rock lesithi thina vele akula luthathe sulu expect iwange ngubhuti and akumelanga ibe lokhu ibhizi kutholakala idlala lathi nga
Kumele
kumele ihambe wazwa wathi ku-right ukuthi bawinile kodwa into esingabatshela nayo ukuthi work hard ngoba I even met another stakeholder e-Southern Region ade sisixoxela nje lapha eyashuthi esithi iwange yawina kodwa ayiqinanga njengamanye ama-team la edlala la ku-Division 1
Ngayibona kudibula amatibula.
ungakhayela Talent Vision labo Bulawayo Warriors
Ukuthi Talent Vision babe ngaholisi ama strike la ngeyinye futhi into lezimele sizikhuluma ngeyinye nje babe winile they having good results uzothi abafana ba striking uthi athi uzothi abafana ba striking
Uzothiwa sebesuspend.
abanye ba suspend you understand yes bra aku motivate and the team le umkhupha lo was cooking madoda asikhuluma enqinile umkhupha lo was cooking like pro but ama striking about 3-4
Lose momentum.
lose momentum and
but it's the same la sewange these people have ama problems afanayo mdala so angazi ukuthi kusuka kwehlukane ngapi kuma players ngoba ungakhayela mostly ngangale sorry ukukhuluma njalo koWomza ungakhayela ngangale mdala ama players amaningi adlala ngale akusese ama talents athathwa locally wange lapha of course bakhona but balushwana ngama players abefike khona bana besanele mboma 6 months contract ukuthi bebe active maybe after maybe bazadoshwa ngenye team
umonga beceze bekwayile
maybe
part of football
so
yathola so Southern Region iwange is
because when I problem man ukuthi sibili ngokukhanyela into wangikhona the way Bora eliranwa ngayo ngapha eSouthern Region abantu abanengi ngama individuals and individually kabe kungumuntu lemayini imayini ibhanti lingakhatha le mali sinjani ethimi lakhe sinjani so abantu they should try by all means ukuthi bebelana ama sponsor ama all weather sponsors ukuthi wena kade siyena imali ingamehluli ebekwazi ukuthi sponsor engathi hayi khiwa lapha kufunakala i50,000 ukuthi siqedise stretch lesi nasi sponsor sibe njani ayikhona isponsor esokuthi sona siyabe sithola i-advertising mileage
siyathenga ikit silebrandele
Mm.
team ingabenefit lutho lokuthana akuncedi lokho
then bensathi eNorthern Region ngale ziyakhala ngale ziyakhala ziyatshintshana
ziyalila
ngale utry is trying ubelile phezulu
alright
team yami siyehla khathesi yakwazi this water isoziye ichingwere
ibiqalise kuhle
ngicini ngu number 5
ibiqalise kuhle
but hayi from ichingwera is proving ukuthi yay deserve sibili kuba lapha anti ayibone eyangena ngomkoti ukuthinga sibuyela vele lapho umeli
bekhona then ngapha Eastern uKatsande uyabushow imahle
show grit
show grit although ilokhuzeni yada kube yakho lokhuzeni Grand Legacy le
ngale phela amateam amaningi
Deportivo laMrambinda la team yami hey
le Greenfield ikhona
so yabona because Deportivo number 4 yabo Grand Legacy big number 2 iyada number 1 ngani ziyachinja so i-competition Eastern Region le Northern Region ama competitions akhona ngana Steve ziyakhala ku D1 moving on mfuna sithathe feeling like with Lucky Bets amalokhuzeni ama predictions abuya sawezwa omunye lokho ekhala ethi hayi aniyalithethe iScotland yadliwa egroup lokho esithwale senzima ama-Manchester izabona yadliwa iScotland sathi hayi mdala relax
yabona ipicture lani iskeleton sihlezi uthi waiting for Scotland to lose
so ama games aqaliseke Saturday iadrug yahle shayile lokhu ZZPC Kariba 4 i recover from iloss yabonana ku Scotland and they prove and into engichazileyo umfana lo uwash Navaya is proving ukuthi hayi striker for sure I think he grabbed the press
uthena ufuna ukulokhuze ukubreak i20 goals milestone eka Norman Marot
it's possible
so yena ufuna ukuyidlula
but sekuthi 11
but ngiyabona omunye umuntu ukuthi nje
11 or 10
sele 10
ngiyabona
omunye umuntu ubujoint lo Kaundera
hey uRalph Lenkani
ngiyabona omunye umuntu esithi ukuthi lwana umuntu wangona ngumuntu lwana ohlala vele nebuya le controversy every time ukuthi ungambone appreciate into right
but la istyle sakho umuntu wakho ufuna sesikuqambele la uziqambele
wanje antsho
umakho mdala vele lami ngibonile ngibone sona usamama ukuthi wayehlala phezulu lapha kaqala nganamuntu uhlala phezulu vele sisi
hayi PFM yolomnye endaweni yakhe samama la uright
but asivumeleni ukuthi into nxa i-wrong yabe wrong
awuba wrong ku-wrong
but laphana
mina sisenza nto ngoyiqasa ukubona
but laphana yena hayi sengikhuluma ukuthi unavayani la usuke wathaba kakhulu kasanjani kasa-appreciate ngumuntu onjani om-assistileyo but lokhu kanjani kuyatholakala ebhoreni yena maybe lona lawo assistileyo bekumele imgijimise la engafuni ukuthi njani
it's part and parcel of football
but mina lahlala ngikhuluma one thing ama-journalist ayekeli ukufuna ukubulala abafana ebademoralizer ecreate njenge-issue kamonga navele nizisa ubuhlungu vele
uyakwathi mina okunye
kanti abantu ba-expect ukuthi umonga yenza imiracle ngabe ayefuna ukwenza ama-miracle ani ngabe wavula i-church waba ngupastor watshona esithi fire ebantwini umonga is doing okusemandleni akhe bayefuna yenzeni
hayi yawazi ukuthi
ungajustify idoti wena lwana ngazofaka umuntu esisikhule silenga ayibhorana lihlohlalelana lezulu leya ngayenza okufuza kwenze umfana wana umuntu 24 years kumfana wena umfana wefuze esijoyini izulu celebrate Father's Day ubaba lwana somntwana omncane lo 24 years
lapha ndizafuna ufa ibarricade
ameko phela ngokuthi sengiyasomela empiyele yelimi kanti vele nafuna ukubiza amapholisa alamabhiza kati
sofuna amabhiza
lefuna alamabhiza isikhuluma something enjalo ephepheni liyabulali umuntu
imoral nje ukulethe umbe kule 5 kumbe 8 years kumbe lokho sesithwala
hayi ubengatreni iviki yonke
savereza in a space of 1 week umonga uthethwe imedia bamfaka phezulu in a space of 1 month
simhlikihlela phansi
you go higher the more siyaphansi umonga vele la as from ZPC lapha as from ZPC lokho erate lapha wonke utshone edlisa hayi izwela udlise kakhulu
alright let's move on guys imanika hedraw le think abaningi bayibamba le uJoe because uJoe abantu abaningi abamnika ngechance imanika versus iPlatinum zadraw 1-1
kanti empama ikhale njani
kule mpama
ayindaba yankona
angayizwe impama banocha impama
la
imanika
imanika official imanika lambela
cha angayizwa ngco uyisode zethu kumbe
sizayizabuya layo
asibambeni
sizabuya layo
emoyeni khona
but andiyabona ukuthi khathesi due to the fact ukuthi PSL is not acting up on umsindo weDynamos the hard rock abantu sebezenzela umathanda
sebebona
they are now untouchable ladlula kwathula
sesiya kuJuly
yafilodile
hayi sizezwe asimeni
kumbe la isaba njengomqando
so i-triangle igcina ihlohlile igcina idliwa 2 note ingagcina idliwa 2 note
i-triangle win 2-1
yagcina idliwa 2-1 awuzwa ngasebele 10 games 7 games bayahlohla sevuka izathi bahlohla i-triangle ayitotoya
bayitholile linyonga bayibhula
lidlela i-triangle premier lakho
yawazi ukuthi khona ulomntwana ngaphandle ngala kusho wona umntwana la nxathu umama khona kana ndoda
uJonas ama example kaJonas
sisiqalisi yosesilapha negolelo kuzene luvivi uzabona okunye ukuthi kuyenziwani khona
Evla Chiefs I think I benefit kakhulu
ngesichaya
lapha beumele ukuthi into leya vele hayi beumele libonge umsebenzi omuhle osiyenzakele nga eluve
hayi ngebe siyafika ama-fixture ngayizola so lokhu ze ngeSaturday iChiefs yadle yagama eluve suka ngikhuluma ngeluve because even playing surface abantu bebukele online ngizwile besithi
hayi luveve ndoda ngayibona hayi si right vinde national team singadlali lapha
hlale kunyonyeni
Thumbs up to Blair Chiefs chicken in
Game lena mbukele nje nama-highlights ucommentata kade laphana anti ucommentata kade laphana for i-broadcast anti yeyi
amenze Jay amenze akhala ngayo kakhulu awumkhayeza ikhamera kuye abantu bekembo uhlale ezivile waya ukuthi seluveve Jay capture sivuli istate ungayenzi njalo Jay ungayenzi njalo anje sesibona online Jay thina seduze
hayi siradisa besikhona nxa singa
so big up to Ibulaya City Council.
At least ingqondo
we've always said ukuthi iluveve in terms of iyadlula ama-grounds amaningi eZimbabwe iluveve la ukubhanwa kwakhona we know but at least something good is actually happening.
ayishows ukuthi abantu bengabambani bayenza
nxa singasathethisani singabambana sike
sayibharike le bambana so then i-tail one yadraw the Moz 1-1 Simba Bora after sebebambe 4 molulu lo mabhena ngamangala badliwa yilokhuzini iHunters then ingezi Platinum uChomlode sesithwala senzima idela na Saturday egroupini hayi kusase 0-0 zabona ngithi bayidla ngathi kumele beqale behlohle mdala
ingezi yabhayiza lapha because ayifuzi wine ayifuzi asoma chance abakhutha amancane la ngalibuka igame la ngalibuka lonke ama-chance lana bakhuthalana kangantombi bathengiwe but bengathengwanga
but yabona into endlala ngikhuluma ukuthi kuloku akubhalwa khona lokhu
yikho phela ngikutsho khona ngesikhathi sikhuluma ngebhora lebhoso seliphenduka kimi futhi lisithi ibhora ngithi ibhora ukuze kuchaza ibhora yi-result
hayi sikhuluma into eziyithu ezijeni
ibhora uzethola ibhora
hayi into wena sikhuluma into eziyithu ezijeni
ngithe bakhutha ama-chances amaningi so kwathi konke akubalwa khona ukubalwa
but isikhulumela phela ukuthi labo abantu sibili asiyali iromance ayila mntwana but umuntu like kake-entertain
you understand
noma engachaya isithende esifike emuntwini ayikhona ukuthi echaya isithende
seku-opposition
kube kuyikaboya
so iScotland yadla ingezi 2-0 then i-Rentals maduda I think this was the ngithi upset kodwa ngoba i-Rentals has been
so upset ayenzanga lutho esingalu-expectiwe fine bedlala le-Caps but uwina i-Rentals vele ama-team eHarare sikwazi past 4 seasons from eHarare ama-teams eHarare ibilokhu iqeda isizini iphezulu kwawo wonke
so i-Rentals idla i-Caps United 2-1 then
iChiraki lapha sesingawoma lapha
iskoro asoma
but iChiraki i-Caps phela should realize ukuthi sile 10 games ku-10 games yawina ka-2 iwine ka-2 yawina ama-late penalties ama-games zona lawo so sile 8 games lezi 8 games ingelawini
istruggle
isidonsa nzima
yeah sivula nje ilokuzeni iScotland igap then the last game Zimbabwe I think we've done justice to i-Battle of Zimbabwe. Let's look at the fixture. It finished nxa kuyilabana abathanda ukubukelela phakathi it finished 1-1 i-Highlanders le Dynamos then match day 20 fixtures Friday Scotland takes on Manica Diamonds eRufaro.
Scotland.
Sivuma mdala.
Hayi Manica so bantu bebhola.
Hayi but yabona look at all financial backing iManica
yabona iManica leScotland igimlanani. iManica is a try. iScotland nxa izawina izowina ngama-2-0 wina ngawo. Iyawina at least maybe nge-1-0.
Andona no
iyawina at least nge-1-0.
bese nguthi lani yawathi ngafuna bebreak ama-clean sheet kaDona.
Iyawina at least nge-1-0 the reason being because indlela abantu abakhuluma ngayo after lokhu zenini i-sponsorship lesiyana ngoba ingawina ngabo-10 kusiya phambili ngari kuyathiwa imali leyana so la iManica izazama ukuprova ukuthi imali anayisebenzanga.
Then Saturday the 27th of June we've got Simba Bora taking on Telo One eWatsanayi.
I draw.
Ayawina le emnikazi wendawo ekuhome yawina Telo One asothi
draw.
Nje iThelwane isiyatshintsha phela ikhithi lomnyama so Chamini ugayiqinisile sonke watshintsha ikhithi phela no performance.
What's your prediction my brother?
Thelwane le Simba I draw.
Chicken takes on Hard Rock. This one will be very entertaining eluveve ike sihamba khona menzi ungadondi
bayakupantshaza lokho
enye Saturday
Saturday chicken in at
Lapha?
Eluviv. But you know, there's something fun. Chicken in and Bulawayo Chiefs, they always play well Eluviv than PF angazi why.
lapha
I was just saying, what's your prediction?
iba ukuthi vandalism liyasebenza manje kade
hayi manje ibala nalele ichayisa amateam but anyway I'll give 2-1 to Chicken.
Okay.
Hayi
Unduda ngani yagodula.
hayi
ana izibonela i-draw cause chicken inkanyezani bazathaba kakhulu belokhu belodenda lwe-sugar cane ye-triangle.
Alo mara sikambuza. ZPC Kariba versus Ngezi eNyamunga.
Ngezi.
ZPC Kariba.
Hayi Ngezi.
Kanti i-return i-first leg zadlala njani? I-ZPC ayiwinanga? Oh.
bayichaya ingezi
Platinum takes on Hunters eMandawa. Ujoe.
Draw.
iyanto azichisile these days man
Andazi yavuka.
mina go with platinum straight win clean sheet
Antazwini.
draw
Unyasula sesukile laphana ngombe idila likabhasi.
Athi window officially ivula mhla ka
Onyasolo yena idili pasili yahamba.
Yikho
Bavalelisile.
Ngithi soka zikabe
ipasi iwindow officially ivula because sembuya khona iwindow officially ivula mhla ka 4. So anything from 4 July sengakwazi ukudlala. That was my worry ukuthi sesibo game 20 something. Yodwa ukukhuluma lapha.
Yawungavuma.
Then i-Islanders yabi away ngoni to Imozi.
ngoni mozi
No, I'll give it to Islander.
Savereza.
This days Imozi performance yabidakiwe. Islanders win.
draw
obvious yabuya la
All right.
Yabela ilose.
ayizingumuntu ngadala
obvious yabuya la team
Then last game is Saturday. Caps takes on Triangle Rufaro.
Capes
Yeah, Caps United.
Triangle abantu abayinikisa. Then Sunday Agama takes on Rentals eWadzanayi.
The
Rentals.
great
Benza to score.
great to win
Pero le assist to aka assistanga ku Chiefs ku Caps futhi.
kati yedala nasuyehlele
These days uchisile phela umdala.
Star boy.
Mural.
Umdala bele
Umdala phela sefuna iCape ku Warriors.
kungaba lokuyi-4 Nations tournament la beke bemhlalise.
Efele Cape.
Efele Cape.
Official. Then last game is Dynamos versus Bulawayo Chiefs eRufaro.
tela mose yadlala ba
So yadlala uzama ukuthi
Chiefs
But
Evula i-Dynamos ithwele nzima kubula Chiefs.
but yakwazi ukuthi i-Bulawayo Chiefs eRufaro into yayiyenze ku-Caps ingafika iphinde i-repeat futhi.
sokungayenzeka but ama chances
So those are the fixtures ka match week 20 sizabona ukuthi kuyozala nkomo khona bana sesivala gents last words
Qhubekani lisupporta liqhubekani lisupporta ngokusubscribe lokulike lokucomment lokunxusa abanye ukuthi beyenze njalo. Qhubekani lisebenza eLucky Bets. Remember to bet responsibly, no under 18 as well.
khona bana uhle wacha khona ungathi no under 18 yabusupayizini
masuthi yabheja ngemali yesithiyo
asamkhuza seshaba seshaba akasapheji yesithiyo phela qala sithi vinegere yomchova last 20
Ethi mana ngimultiply.
asukufuni khona ungayawezi masuthi last words
mina ngathi qhubekani lizame Lucky Bets. You never know, sometimes sungavulo lutho lawo ungazizwa ufila lucky ungazizwa ufila lucky hambe ebheja faka i-R10 yakho
awusahambe ebheji andisuzemu
deposit
uya deposit efonini lawo subscribe ubone ukuthi uhamba njani then uwine engakusho ukuthi hayi qhubekani lisupporta lixwayisa lapha lixwayisa khona whatever the comment or negatives konke siyakumukela
ukhulume njengendoda uthatha ama-negative utshele phela abanye abaphezulu kwakho bethathe lawo ama-comments noma i-negative I was just saying last words my bro.
yeah my last words would be like subscribe, like, follow and comment and be part of us. Remember luckybets.w .co.zw.
menzi alo limenzi ibhlupho uzithi ugagaze njani khona ugqoka iskipa ikepezi
Yazi ukuthi-
yonke into ulayo ngapha nguyode nika amalokuzeni ama-man of the match
ludenda lushukela mani iningi kakhulu
E-triangle.
e-triangle iningi kakhulu udenda mana
so mana sunika i-chance phinda futhi
right remember to subscribe follow us and be part of this team Tap 3 TV then when it comes to Lucky Bets uyahlaba utype uluckybets.co.zw and become a member. Remember, gambling is not taking a risk but is making a wish. So when you gamble responsible, you're making a wish, but when you begin to gamble unresponsible like my friend there, you'll be making an error. So let's try our luck, let's try an outside hustle. Cheers.
yazanje zezazipasa ama-corrections awubulela uthi kodwa mnika i-chance ama-corrections seva indlela savele zivale problem
Hayi mina amaningi angilawo engakukhuthaza ngakho abantu ukuthi people should embrace change.
Yes.
Lawo amatikiti athengiswa before ama-games asizame nini bantu in the long run sizayibona i-benefit yangikhona ukuthi nje lani liyathanda ukuhlala licomplaina lalapho kabo ngadingi licomplaine khona.
Yeah, uroti izolo futhi ukhulume ngakho ngoba sithi kona siyabonga ngithe siyabonga i-ticketing uthi abantu inkinga abathenga ama-tickets but ngathi se-first initiative asiqhubekele phambili
which is good mna sengivala nto konke lokukhulumile emergency sui please remember to follow iDeb3 TV on all platforms all social media platforms follow iDeb3 events Deb3 studio Deb3 media Deb3 TV everything Deb3 follow it everywhere on all social media platforms and also remember to like subscribe share and engage us in the comment section njengomndebere umndebere vele nxa engalokuzanga engasengejanga angizwa lama ngizwa sharp
uthule mndebere ungabe
lama ngizwa sharp but I'm happy though ngabanye
inkinga umasudu ngiyopha manzi umndebere
kari data mdala vele ulenzani usebenzisani
kahlale ngena data nje
Uyabheja like
Ababheja yedata.
so in those few ways guys until next week
cheers
Adios.